Hello, welcome to Farms to Families channel. Today, using one of our most popular appam batters, I'll be preparing ragi appam and rice appam with an excellent creamy chicken curry. Let's look into all the ingredients required for the chicken curry and get started. We'll be using chicken, fennel seeds, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, dried red chilies, cinnamon, ginger garlic paste, cloves, cardamom, star anise, peppercorns, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, tomato, finely chopped onion, sliced shallots, curry leaves, coconut milk, fresh coconut, tamarind pulp, and coconut oil. We'll start preparing the curry base first for the chicken curry. In a mixer jar, I've added all the spices. I've added curry leaves and fresh coconut. Using a splash of water, I've ground it into a smooth paste. I've heated a pot on medium flame, added coconut oil, and tempered the oil with curry leaves, added onion, shallots, tomato, ginger garlic paste. We'll fry all the ingredients first. Allow the onions to turn pink and the tomatoes to reduce. We will add the chicken, fry the chicken in the tomato and onion. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and salt as per taste. Fry the chicken for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add 1.5 cups of warm water. Place the chicken on high flame and bring it to a rapid boil. Add the curry paste. Dilute and add the curry paste with 1/4 cup of water. Cover and cook the chicken. Once the chicken is tender, add coconut milk. Stir. Add tamarind pulp. Stir. Boil. Bring it to a rapid boil and serve. Your chicken curry is ready. Let's prepare appams. Here I'll be using the rice appam batter, which is prepared with rice and coconut, and I'll be using the ragi appam batter. For both the appam batters, before preparing, we'll add coconut milk and adjust the salt as per taste. I've added salt as per taste and 100 ml of coconut milk for each batter. We'll mix to combine. These batters can be used right away as it is already fermented. Apart from appams, you can also prepare fluffy dosas. This is a versatile batter prepared hygienically. These batters, when not used, you can store it in the freezer and use as required. Only while preparing appams you have to add coconut milk. I've heated an appam pan. Now I'll be adding few drops of oil. Using a paper towel, I'll spread the oil and ladle the batter. We'll swirl the pan to prepare an appam. Add few drops of oil. Cover and cook the appam till it's crispy. Each appam takes about 1 to 2 minutes to cook and turn crispy. The appam is ready. We'll serve this as hot as possible. Let's prepare an egg appam. The same process, I've heated the pan on medium flame, added few drops of oil and the batter. Swirl the pan to prepare an appam. Added few drops of oil. I'll be adding the egg in the middle. I'll add few drops of oil and pepper powder. We'll cover and cook this appam. Egg appam pairs perfect with the chicken curry. The appam is ready. I'm going to serve it. Now let's prepare ragi appam. The appam pan is nice and hot at this point. We have added few drops of oil and spread the oil all over the pan. Added the ragi batter and swirled the pan to prepare an appam. We'll add few drops of oil, place a cover and allow it to cook. It took me hardly 2 minutes to cook each appam. Now the appam is ready, we can serve it. We can also prepare ragi egg appam. Let's prepare ragi egg appam. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be also posted in the description box below this video. To purchase our appam batter and the range of batters, do visit our website. The link to the website will be listed in the description box below this video. Here I've added an egg. I sprinkled pepper powder and added few drops of oil to the appam, covered it and cooked it for 2 more minutes. Egg appam is ready. These appam turned out fluffy and it tasted excellent with chicken curry. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. Until next time, thank you so much for watching from Farms to Families team. Bye bye.